Hi friends, my name is Ratan. So in this video, we'll discuss about the Python class 3. See, I will give the Python class by class 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, I'll create the playlist which is called class 3. Just you can check the class 3. To write some files, you can go to the edit plus, go to the file menu, click on new, select the others. In others, we have the Python here. Just select the Python. Just OK. This is called Python window, right? Here I will write the files here. Okay, see here the class 3 will discuss about so generally what are the data types in Java. So in Java, C language, CVP language, generally you have some data types, right? What are the data types in Java? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, like that you have the data types. And in Python, the general data types in Python. So data types in Python, good. What are the general data types in Python? The first one, we have the number type. So number again contains two types. Number contains integer and float value. The first one is the number type. The second one is the string type. The string representation is str. Str is the representation of a string, right? The third one is the Boolean type. Boolean, the representation is a bool. These are called general types here, general data types in Python. Like that you have the list data type, tuple, dictionary, set, number of data types are there. But these are called general data types in Python. So number, string and Boolean. Coming to the Python, in Python the numeric values are by default integers. So 10, 20, 30. These numeric values are by default which type here? Integer type. What about float here? What are the decimal points here? 10.4, 20.5, some values. These are called which values by default here? Decimal values, float values. So here number contains two types here. One is the integer and float value. These numerics are by default integers. These decimal values are by default which type here? Float type. What about string here? In Python, coming to the string, in Python string, the string data we can declare within the single quotes, or string data we can declare in double quotes also. So in other languages, single quotes means we have the character representation, right? But in Python, the string we can declare single quotes, or string you can declare in double quotes also, no problem. Double quotes also, okay, right? That's it. What about Boolean? Boolean contains how many constants? Obviously, two constants. What are two constants? True and false. So in front of the video, don't waste the time here. Just if you have the pen and paper, just take the pen and paper. Try to write all the points. After this video, you'll get some clarity regarding data types and what is a dynamically typed, reassigning variables, removing the variables, swapping the data. You'll get some clarity. So general data types in Python is number, string and Boolean. This is the data. So in Python, so 0 represents 1 here. 1 is nothing but 0. Sorry, 1 is nothing but true. 0 is nothing but a false value, right? That's it. These are called Python data types, basic data types. Okay, clear now? That's it. So generally in other language Java, I want employee data here. Employee data means I want declare int employee ID equal 111. Next one I want string employee name equal to double quotes Ratan. Last one is employee salary. I want employee salary means float employee salary equal to, I have to specify some 10,000.45. I have to specify a constant also, right? This is in Java. Java you must specify the type of the variable or not. Wait, type of the variable. But Python is dynamically typed language here. What do you mean dynamically typed language here? In Python, just you can declare EID equal 111. So by default EID is integer type. So no, in Python this is by default which type here? Integer type. So if you take the ename is single quote double quotes Ratan. This is by default which type here? String type. So in Python is dynamically typed, right? Python is so dynamically typed. Dynamically typed means data types required or not required here? Not required. The last one is e-salary. E-salary is what? 7,000.45, right? 10,000.45. This value is by default which value? Tell me, this value is by default which value? This value is by default float, right? Good. But Ratan sir, here I will make 10,000 only. Then this value is by default which data here? Integer data or float data? integer data. When you make the decimal only, the data will be the float data, right? So no, the data will be the float data. I hope the points are clear, right? In Java, you must specify the type of the variable, but in Python is a dynamically typed language. There is no need to specify the type of the variable. Ratan sir, how to check these types? So to check the types, we have the type function here. Let me write the type function. So to do the practicals, just to go to the file menu, click on new, go to the others. Here we don't have any Python, right? Click on new, HTML, Java, CPP, Parallel is there. Click on others. In others, we have the Python. Click on Python. This is called Python window. In the Python window, type the files. What are the files you want? EID equal 111. I want ename is Ratan. Ename is Ratan. The last one is I want e-salary. E-salary equal to some 10,000.45, right? Good. I want to check the types. To check the types, we have the type function. Type of EID. Type of EID. Next one is a type of ename. Tell me here, type of ename. The last one is a type of e-salary, right? That's it. After writing the application, just save it. Control S you can type. The control S. In local disk E, I am saving this application. The application name is called first.py. The extension should be py. You can take any name here, no problem. It's already existed. You want to replace? Yes, okay, replace it. Now file name here it is visible, right? First.py. Then I want to do the execution of this file. To do the execution of this file, just open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Initially, which location my control is pointing here? Local disk C, right? Take the local disk E. Guys, no need to learn the Python, no need to go anywhere. Yeah. Just you can sit in your house or hostel. Just open the YouTube. I'll place end-to-end videos. One top first video to ending video. You can check all the videos one by one. Prepare the notes. Sir, no, yeah. That's it. So how to run this code? Tell me here. Python. Simply can type the first.py. So Python is not recognized internal external command. First let me check in my system Python is available or not. Local disk C, there is no Python. See, yesterday only I done operating system here. Any Python is there here? No, right? In local disk E, any Python file is there? You can check it once. So Python, yeah, Python 3.6 is there here. Then you have to set the path simply. How to set the path? In your location it may be local disk C, right? Go to the C, Python 3.6 up to. Copy this location, just you have to set the path. Tell me how to set the path. Right click, properties, advanced system settings, environmental variables. We have to go to the path. In my system already path, which one is there here? JDK, right? From the in the path I have to add the Python. Just make the semicolon. Semicolon, click on OK, right? That's all. OK. So click on OK, right? That's it. See, Python first.py. Whenever you will get the commands like this, Python is not recognized internal external commands and all, immediately you can decide in your system path setting is not done. Okay, now I am setting the path, right? Run this code, you will get the same error because the modifications are reflected to newly open a command prompt. Newly open a command prompt means just to close this command prompt, just open a new command prompt. Here you can please go to the, where is my location? In the above you can get the location E first.py, right? Move to the E location. E colon. How to execute here? Python. The file is called first.py. You can check it. Now you will get the data. EID is by default which type here? Integer type. Ename which type? String type. E-salary which type? Float type. So no guys, that's it. Just you can do the copy paste here. That's all. So I'll prepare these notes here for you guys. This is called type function example. I hope the point is clear, right? This is called comments, hash represent single line comments. This is called comments. Just take the pen and paper, note down all the points. In Python, to represent the data, generally what are the data types? Number, string and Boolean. Number again contains how many types? Integer and float. String contains str, Boolean contains bool, like Boolean representing bool. In Java, must specify the type of the variable. What about Python here? Python is dynamically typed language. There is no need to specify the types. Good. So next one is you can think of the type function. The type function is used to find out the type of the variable. So write the application in so and so location, you can save it, right? Let me save. This is my video class 3, right? Video class 3, that's it. Let me save this all the files. At the end of this session I will show this all the points, just to take that all the points. That's all, guys. The point is clear, right? This is called type function. Next point here, Python is always encouraging single line of code here. Python is always encouraging single line of code. Tell me here, so here in Java we have these 3 lines, right? Int employee ID, string employee name, float employee salary. Tell me, is there any chance is there to make these 3 lines of code into single line? Is there any chance is there? If it is the same type means you can make it in single line, right? But these are the same type or different types. These are called different types. Different types means we cannot make it these all values into the single line, right? Then to make, but in Python we have the EID, ename, eSal, right? It is possible to make these 3 values into the single line. It is possible to make these 3 values into the single line, right? Then how to make these 3 values into single line? So simply can write EID comma ename comma eSalary equal to, so EID 111, ename is Ratan, eSalary is what? Some 10,000.45 can write. That's it. Come on here. So in Python is always encouraging single line of code. So if you want, you can take this line, write this line. You save the application first.py, right? Instead of these 3 lines of code, you can make it single line. You can remove this code, just to save it, just run the code, same output will get, right? So Python is always encouraging single line of code. Clear? Come on, guys. Otherwise I want addition of 3 variables. Addition of 3 variables means a comma b comma c equal 10 comma 20 comma 30. That's it. Then how to write here? Print of a plus b plus c. So just to save it, open the command prompt, first.py. What is the output here? 60, right? That's it. My point is clear? Good. But Ratan sir, I want a, b, c 3 values. I want the same value. Then in that case, don't write a comma b comma c equal 10 comma 10 comma 10. For the 3 variables, I want single value, right? This is also valid, no problem. A plus b plus c. Then what is the output we'll get now? 30. That is also valid, no problem. But if multiple variables require the same value, no need of writing the code like this. Simply can write a equal to b equal to c equal to 10. A equal b equal c equal to 10, right? Simply can the print of, tell me, a plus b plus c. So no, if multiple variables require the same value, then you can use equal to, a equal to b equal to c equal to 10, right? That's it. But one of the student is asked question, then sir, a comma b comma c equal to assign 10. A comma b comma c equal 10 means obviously you will get error message now. It's not trouble date, it is saying. See, we are assigning 10 means it is only for the a value. What about b and c values? You will get error message, right? That's it. So this is a single line of code here. EID, ename, eSalary, a comma b comma c equal 10 comma 20 30. If you want the same value for the 3 variables, you can do like this, but this approach is recommended or not recommended here? Not recommended. You can make it a equal to b equal to c equal to 10. That's it. The points are clear, right? Good. Simply can say control A, copy it. Let me the single line of code here. I will copy this data. That's it. Clear? That is called Python single line of code here. Any doubts? Slowly, just to pause the video, try to take these points, students. So as employees means when see this example, then they'll get the clarity. Okay, this is a way declaration. Okay, this is a way declaration. Leave it. But students, you guys must take the line by line code, because you have to analyze and you have to check the coding part, right? That's all, guys. The next one here, the next point, concatenation. Concatenation here. In Python, while concatenation, you have to think about one point here. In Python, it is possible to combine only similar type of data. Possible to concat only similar type of data. Similar type of data means you can combine only string plus string, list plus list, set plus set, number plus number. Only you can combine only similar type of data. Then sir, can please do the example here. See, for example, print of 10 plus 20 here. Any problem here? No problem, because int plus int only, right? So here string plus string. Any problem is there? No problem. Ratan and Ratan is printed, right? So print of 10.5 plus 20.5. Any problem is there? Float plus float. Yes or no? So print of, here you can make the true value. So true plus I can make it true. Tell me, true plus true means what is output? So how to execute here? The command is called Python. The file is called first.py. You can think this is 30. Ratan 31.0. True plus true means I said 1, right? 1 plus 1 means 2. That is okay, no problem. So no, 1 plus 1 means what is output here? 2 will get the data or not? False plus false means 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 means we'll get 0 only, right? That's all. For example, I am writing 10 plus Ratan. Then tell me, 10 is the integer data, Ratan is the string data. Different types of data, combination is valid or invalid? Invalid. We'll get error message here, type error. So we have to check the type error. When you will get the type error here in Python, whenever you are trying to combine two different types of data, in Python you are trying to combine two different types of data, you will get which error here? Type error. Sir, for example, print. So print. So, but tell me here I am trying to print 10 plus true. 10 is which data? Integer data. True is which data? Boolean data. Combination is allowed or not allowed? Concatenation. Obviously same types or different types. Obviously different types. You said concatenation is possible or not possible? Yeah, you said not possible, right? But a small point here, possible actually. The reason is true is nothing but 1, right? Then 10 plus 1 will become true, 11. Yes or no? Yeah? This case is valid case actually. Good. For example, if you write the print 10.5 plus 10.5 is the float data, I can make it false here. This is also valid or invalid? Perfectly valid, 10.5 only, because false is nothing but 0, right? We have to take care about these points actually. And moreover, one more point. So here writing 10 plus 10.5. Tell me in this case what is the output here? Try to respond. 10 plus 10.5. 10 is the integer, 10 point is a float. Same types or different types? You are saying different types. Different types means possible or not possible? Concatenation. Not possible, right? But you will get output here. Why we are getting output here? Because this is integer, this is a float, I agree. But both are number type only, right? By the starting we discussed that point. Number contains integer and float. Both are same type of data only, right? Both are same type means then what is the problem? There is no problem, right? That's it. So you can combine this one also, no problem. I hope the points are clear, right? So in Python finally decided it is always possible to combine similar type of data. If you are trying to combine different types of data, you will get error message. You will get a error message, right? What is the error here you will get here? Type error. There is a first error we know while studying the Python. In Python, what is the first error? What is the first error? Type error, right? When you will get the type error here? When you will get the type error? Whenever you are trying to combine, two different types of data, you will get the type error. You will get a type error, right? That's all, guys. That's all about the concatenation. I will repeat all the points once again. You can check it. Discussing Python is dynamically typed. Python data types here. Generally, what data types? You have the number, string, and Boolean. In Java, other languages, we must specify the type of the variable. But in Python, dynamically typed, there is no need to specify the type of the variable. Then to check the type of the variable, we have to use the type function. So Python is always encouraging single line of code here. You can write a comma b comma c equal 10 comma 20 comma 30. And concatenation, it is possible to combine only similar type of data. It is not possible to combine two different types of data. But integer float is possible because both are comes under number type. And integer plus boolean also possible because boolean also internally contains some integer data 1 and 0, right? That's all about the concatenation operation here. Guys, slowly I'm discussing all the points. I'm pasting here. At the end of the video, I will show all the points once again. Wherever you require, just you can pause it. You can take all the points. Students, you can please maintain the proper notes. Guys, and you can please subscribe, like the videos, yeah, like the videos and comment the videos, and share the videos to your friends also. Subscribe to our channel to get the more updates, yeah. So frequently we're doing uploading, every day we're doing uploading operation. Subscribe to our channel to get the more updation, right? That's all, guys. Next one, reassigning variables. Reassigning variables means in other languages, once you declare the variable means we cannot use the same variable multiple times, right? Once I declare the a variable means I cannot redeclare the a variables one more time. Yes or no, yeah? But Python, we can declare that variable multiple times, no problem. A equal 10 print a means up to this line a value is a 10. From this line onwards, then what happen here? A value will be assigned to 100. So simply print off a. Then you can check this code once, 10 and 100. So this is called reassigning variable. We can reassign the same variable multiple times. So now we can reassign the same variable multiple times or not. That's it. That's it. Next one, see, swapping the data. In other languages, to swap the data, minimum required the 10 lines of code, right? A equal to 10, b equal to 20. You can take the temporary variable, pass the a variable to the temporary variable, b variable to the a variable, temporary variable to the b variable. Like that you have to pass the data, right? Swapping the data. So no, yeah, swapping. What do you do in Python, yeah? Swapping data. In Python, swapping process is very easy here. I want a comma b equal to 10 comma 20. Can please swap it? A comma b equal to b comma a. That's it. Python is, I said, single line of code, right? This is a way how the Python is encouraging single line of code here. A comma b equal b comma a. Simply can write the print a and you can print b. That's it. Print a and print b. 20 comma 10, right? So a comma b. See, these are small points here, but makes a lot of difference in the project. While doing the projects, once if you know your basics, then you can write the code happily. Yes or no? That's all good. That is called which one here? Swapping the data. And moreover, in Python, we can delete the variables also. Delete variable. So I have a and b variables here. Just I am printing a and b variables. Yes or no? Otherwise, I can declare only a value. A equal 10. Just I want to print the a value. I want to delete that variable here, delete of a. After deleting, trying to print the a value. Deleting means memory released. Once the memory released, initially a is 10 is available, printed. Then after that one, print a means name error, right? Name error. What is the name error here? A is not defined. So today we done how many errors? So done 2 errors. One is a type error. When you will get the type error here? Whenever you are trying to combine two different types of data, you will get the type error. What about name error? If the corresponding data is not available, corresponding variable is not available, corresponding function is not available, then you will get which error here? Name error. I hope the point is clear, right? This is called reassigning variable, swapping variable, deleting variable. That's all, guys. The next one here, I want to print the data. See, I want to print the data in different ways here actually. I want to print the data in different ways. What are the different ways, you know? See, for example, I want employee ID, employee name, and employee salary in the single line. As you know, what is declared single line? 111 Ratan. The salary is the 10,000. Point some 45. Then I want print the data. To print the data, directly can print EID, otherwise E name, E salary. This is one way to print the data. EID, E name, and E salary. One of the another approach to print the data here, EID. You can print the employee ID equal to some decoration purpose. Employee ID equal to, tell me here, employee ID equal to plus EID. Like that you can do it. Employee ID equal plus EID. Next one is what? Employee name. The last one is employee salary. So simply can write this is my employee name, this is employee salary. Not plus here, plus in the Java actually. So here you have to make the comma, and comma. Comma is a separator actually in Python. Then simply can run this code once. You'll get the output is properly. 111 Ratan 10,000.45, just printing the data. Then EID 111, E name Ratan, E salary some 10,000.45. So sir, I want all the values in the single line. EID comma, E name comma, E salary. Just comma is a separator. If you want, you can check it. Sir, no, yeah, that's all. Otherwise, do one thing. Print off employee ID equal to comma EID comma the employee name equal to comma E name. Simply can write the comma, but here number of commas are increased, right? Number of commas are increased, but this approach is recommended or not recommended approach here? Not recommended. Printing the data. To print the data, we have the formatting options. So if you check this line, this code is valid, no problem. EID, E name, E cell, this is valid, no problem. But the thing is, commas are increased, right? This is a very different ways to print the data. General approach. Printing EID with the commas, 3 values in the single line, multiple variables in the single line, like this. I think, but not that much proper way, right? This is to format the data. Generally, we have the two ways actually. One is by using format function, one is by using braces. Like one is by using %, say %d, %s, like this. That one we'll discuss in next video actually. Next class it will be. Sir, no, yeah, that will be in the next class, right? That's all. Yeah. This is all about the printing the variables here. That's it. Printing the variable. Any doubts regarding this exam, this class? Yeah? That's all about this example. It's class number 3, I think. So I'll do the first 10 class by class. Python class 3. What about Python class 3? Tell me. This is Python class 3. That's all. In the Python class 3, what we discussed, Python data. See, here it seems to be half an hour class, right? But generally in the classroom, I will take the I will discuss the points. Like then I'll give the time to note on the examples, right? And I'll give the theory notes, right? But in the video, giving the theory notes, giving the time to note on the examples, the video is not good actually. Reason the video. Just I'll give the practice the points. I will write the notes here. Sir, no, yeah. That's it. Don't think of an hour. But for you guys to complete this video, to get the clarity on the subject, this is your class, one class, complete class. If I'll give the time to note down and I will dictate some point, it will take 1 hour class or not. That's all, guys. I'll give the complete overview regarding this class. You can check it. Python data types. How many data types in Python? Basic data types are number, string, and Boolean. In other languages like Java, C language, we must specify the type of the variable. But in Java is dynamically typed language. Sorry, in Python is dynamically typed language. There is no need to specify the type of the variable. Then to check the type, you have to go with the type function actually. You have to go with which function here? Type function. This is called type function, right? So to check the type of EID and all. Python is always encouraging single line of code. You can make the multiple variables in the single line. These are different values. If you want same values, you can do like this, no problem. But that is not recommended. A equal B equal C equal 10, that is good actually. Concatenation here. In Python, it is possible to combine only similar type of data. If you are trying to combine different types of data, you will get which error here? Type error. reassigning the variables. The same variable you can declare multiple, you can reassign multiple times. Swapping the data, so a equal a comma b equal b comma a. Deleting variables, so a equal 10 print a, after deleting print a, but a is available or not available, not available. If it is not available, you will get error. Which error you will get here? Name error. The last one is the printing the data. This is a general way to print the data, but the project level, in application level, printing the data, we have different ways are there. One is the percentile options, one is the format functions. So no, yeah? Percentiles and format functions, right? That's all guys. That's all guys. That's all about class 3. Thanks for watching. So you can please like the video and comment the video and subscribe to our channel to get the more updates. The important point, you can please pass the information to your friends. Then your friends also will follow that videos and they will take some notes, right? Thanks guys. Bye.